English, Grade 8.
Tape script 0.1.1.
Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too.
Tape script 0.1.2.
It's my favorite.
Wow, good picture so far.
Thank you.
What are they?
Guess.
Okay, ice cream. Number 1 is ice cream.
So what is the question?
Oh, is it ice cream?
No.
I know. What's your favorite food?
Yes, that's right.
Cool. Number 2 is it owl? It's a bird.
Question?
What's your favorite animal?
Birds are my favorite animal.
I know this one. You love maths. What's your favorite subject?
Math is my favorite subject.
Homework. I hate homework, but you love it. What's your favorite things after school?
Yes, homework is my favorite.
Football. I know you like to watch football. What's your favorite sport?
Yes, that's right. Football is my favorite. Number 6?
It's our school. Favorite place to sleep?
No.
I know. What's your favorite place?
School is my favorite.
Tape script 1.1.1.
A new classmate. Hi, my name is Pisai. Are you new at school?
Yes, I'm a new student. My name's Liwan. Nice to meet you, Bisai.
Nice to meet you too. Are you in grade 8? Please tell me you're in grade 8 too.
Yes, I am.
That's cool. We're classmates. That's our classroom over there. Let's go.
Bisai, I hear we have a new classmate.
Yes, I know. Here he is. Wattai, this is Liwan. He is our new classmate. Liwan, this is Wattai. She's my best friend. She's in grade 8 too.
Nice to meet.
Bisai, this new classmate is very different from us. Very, very different.
Really?
Yes, she can fly.
She can fly? That's cool. Where is she? We should meet her.
Are you sure?
Excuse me? Is this the GA classroom?
Whoa!
Tape script 1.1.2.
1.
What is your name?
My name is Pisai.
2.
How old are you?
I'm 14.
3.
Where are you from?
I'm from Siem Reap.
4.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can.
5.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I do.
6.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Tape script 1.1.3.
Hi, my name's Aruni. I'm 6 months old. My father is Awang. I live in a tree. I like flying and singing songs. My dad says I like asking questions too. I ask a lot of questions. Sometimes my dad doesn't know the answer. My dad says I should go to school because I can ask a lot of questions there. My teacher knows the answer. I'm ready for school. I have a beautiful red bag, 12 notebooks and 3 pens. I think my favorite subject is English. I'm like my dad. I love talking. I love talking in English and Khmer. Yes, it's time for class.
Tape script 1.1.4.
Can you guess who I am? I love computers and I love mobile phones. My favorite subject is physics. I'm good at math too, but I'm not good at history. I don't like history. I don't have many friends, but I have a really cool best friend. Sometimes I bring my best friend to school. Her name is Orny. Shh, Mr. Mom doesn't know. It's a secret.
Hi, can you guess who I am? My favorite subject is English. I love talking to people, and I love talking to my friends. I'm good at dancing. I dance really well, but I'm not good at math. I don't like numbers. My mom was at this school when she was a girl, and my grandpa was at this school too. I love this school.
Hello, can you guess who I am? My favorite subject is PE. I like it because I love running and doing sports. I can play basketball, football, and badminton. I'm good at English too, but I'm not good at geography. I can run really fast. I can run faster than a tiger.
Tape script 1.2.1.
I always wake up at sunrise to practice bacadao with my grandfather at his bacadao club. He is very skilled at bacadao. He was once a very good fighter who hardly ever lost a fight. He is very strict. He often tells me to work harder, and he hardly ever says, "Good job." At 12:30, I leave for school. I usually run to school, but I sometimes walk when I feel lazy. After school, I often have basketball practice. I'm very good at basketball. I always score lots of points, and my team never loses. After basketball practice, I always walk home. I'm sometimes so hungry that I climb a tree to pick some fruit to eat.
I usually wake up at 5 o'clock. I sometimes wake up late when I stay up at night reading a book or looking at the stars. But I always get to school early, before 6:30, because as class monitor, it is my job to make sure the students clean the classroom before school starts. I am never late, and the classroom is always clean when Miss Mom arrives. After school, I always stay for extra lessons, usually until noon or 1 o'clock. I always stop at the photocopy shop on my way home because as class monitor, it is my job to make copies of the exercises for class the next day. In the afternoon, I go to my family's pharmacy to help out. It isn't usually very busy, so I often practice playing the traditional instrument I play called a kloy.
I usually wake up at 6 o'clock. I never eat breakfast. Instead, I sleep late. I hardly ever walk to school because I'm too lazy. My brother usually brings me to school on his bicycle. I often get bored at school because I'm so smart and I know everything already. But I always enjoy dance class. I am an amazing dancer, so the teacher often asks me to help my classmates learn new steps. When school ends at 11 o'clock, I always go to the market where my family sells clothing and eat lunch with my mom. After lunch, I stay at the market to sell clothes. I always earn a lot of money because I know so much about fashion. After I finish at the market, I often go to learn traditional dance. Then I go home and eat dinner with my family.
End of tape script 1.2.1. Tape script 1.2.2.
1. I always wake up at sunrise to do some exercise. 2. I sometimes walk to school when I feel lazy, but I always get to school early. 3. I always go to the pharmacy after school. 4. I sometimes help sell medicine. 5. I always go to the market for lunch. 6. I usually eat rice, but I sometimes eat noodles.
End of tape script 1.2.2. Tape script 1.2.3.
1. I am never late and the classroom is always clean when Miss Mom arrives. 2. Miss Mom sometimes asks me to go to the photocopy shop to make copies for class the next day. 3. I never make mistakes with money, and I always say thank you. 4. I sometimes practice playing my kloi, a traditional Cambodian instrument. 5. I sometimes get very bored at the market, but I usually earn a lot of money. 6. I always read fashion magazines before I go to bed.
End of tape script 1.2.3. Tape script 1.2.4.
1. Vatai usually practices at the Labokator Club. 2. On hot days, Vatai practices Labokator in the lake. 3. Vatai never punches and kicks palm trees. 4. Vatai always practices Labokator before school. 5. Vatai sometimes practices Labokator at her grandfather's banana farm. 6. Vatai is usually too tired after school.
End of tape script 1.2.4.
Tape script 1.2.5.
I never lose it. I usually keep it right here in the pocket of my trousers.
Really? I saw it today.
Where?
I forget.
Well, where do you usually go in the morning?
I come to your house almost every morning because we usually go to school together.
It's not there. Where do you usually go when you don't go to school?
I sometimes fly up to the mountain to sing. Do you ever fly up to the mountain?
I never do that because I can't fly. And I never sing. Where do you usually go for a snack?
I usually go find some fruit.
At the banana farm? I sometimes go there.
I don't like bananas, so I never go there. I usually eat oranges at Mr. Sawan's house, but sometimes I eat apples for a snack.
Apples never grow in Cambodia.
I know. That's why I always get apples at the market. Do you ever go there?
Yes, Oh, it's in my bag.
End of tape script 1.2.5.
Tape script 1.3.1.
Can all the students stand in line next to the flagpole, please? Liwan, put away your phone and hurry up. I have already rang the bell.
Sorry, Miss Mom. I'm coming.
Pisai, Livan, come to the front, please. You can both help to raise the flag.
Yes, Mr. Pirate.
Yes, sir. I'm coming. I'm sorry, sir. I forgot to switch off my phone.
That's very rude, Livan. You can stay behind after school and clean the classroom.
Why is it always me?
Quiet, please. Quiet, please.
Good morning, students. Please remember to always wear your uniforms, be on time, don't miss classes, and respect your teachers and friends.
I'm very sorry, Mr. Savan. I forgot to switch off my phone.
Hey, Mr. Pirate. You can stay behind after school and help Liwan clean the classroom.
Okay, everyone, stop laughing. You can all go to class now.
End of tape script 1.3.1. Tape script 1.3.2.
What happens first at the morning ceremony?
The teacher rings the bell.
What do you do second?
We stand in line next to the flagpole.
What do you do third?
A boy and girl raise the flag.
What do you do next?
We sing the anthem.
What happens after that?
The principal says some words.
What do you do then?
We go to class.
End of tape script 1.3.2. Tape script 1.3.3.
Hi, Awang. Can you tell me how to build a nest, please?
Yes, no problem. First, I collect twigs from the jungle. Second, I collect mud from the riverside. Third, I choose a tree and stick the twigs together with mud. Next, I collect leaves and stick them to the outside of the nest. After that, I collect soft grass and put it inside the nest. Then, my wife lays her eggs.
Thank you, Awang. Hi, Aroni. Can you tell me how to build a nest, please?
I haven't built one before, so I have to guess. First, I go shopping in the city. Second, I choose the best nest I can find in the shop. Third, I ask a remote driver to bring it back home for me. Next, I ask the builder to put the nest in the tree. After that, I buy a rug for inside of the nest. Then I get an egg from my belly button and put it in the nest.
Thank you, Aroni. That was great.
End of tape script 1.3.3.